Have you ever wondered if wood can remember? If the silent rings etched deep within a tree's heart could whisper stories older than your name? Before you stands not just a sculpture, but a storyteller. This piece, born from a single block of aged mahogany, carries echoes of time, memory, and transformation. At first glance, the form may seem abstract, perhaps even chaotic. But look closer. Every groove is intentional. Every curve, a question. What was once a tree rooted in forgotten soil now twists upward like a soul yearning for release. Notice how the rough textures blend into smooth surfaces, mirroring the dualities we all carry, chaos and clarity, strength and vulnerability. The artist chose not to polish away the imperfections. Instead, they were embraced. Cracks are left exposed, knots left visible, as if the wood is confessing its past. It's in these flaws that the true spirit of the work comes alive. You'll find no symmetry here, only truth. Let your eyes trace the grain. It doesn't just run through the sculpture, it leads you. Like a path through a forest. Follow it. Lose yourself in it. You might begin to wonder, is this just art? Or is this a fragment of something ancient, rediscovered? Stay a little longer. Let the wood speak.